Dude, I'm so shaky.
Why don't you lean on the car? Something. That way you also have cover.
Yeah.
The voice comes together, but it's right now my left hand. So it's starting to move again.
Oh god, the car's hot.
Arthritis.
What do you think?
Hold it. Never stop it. Hold in. Try that rope around your leg.
Yo, my hands are so
The
shaky.
alternative sucks still.
What's the alternative?
Not getting old.
Oh. Yeah. She's running.
I'd cover your
How's
ears.
Marty doing?
Oh shit.
It worked. Oh my god. Holy shit.
That was pretty good.
Rob, you got a lighter? Yeah. Here you go.
Oh, you gonna try one of those?
Yeah, you want to see?
What is it?
Give it a second. We're going out with this one too in a second.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing comes right off.
Those rockets.
What, the top? Top's no big deal.
Those missiles will fall out, so just
Yeah, that's
back
why
over
I'm
before
only,
you pull the cover off.
That comes off, it's gonna go like this.
It's like this paper shit's gotta come off. The glue's not gonna stick to it.
Back here.
Let's get out of here. This shit.
I don't even know how many cakes it is exactly. Went to the city. Now he's only under close adult supervision.
Alright, what kind of fuse you got here now?
The green is 32.
That's 10 second, green is 32, and the paper shit is 1 second flash.
This.
No, why don't you use the 10 seconds? Because I'm afraid it's not going to have enough light. Do we have a spare piece of plywood to just put stuff on? What? Do we have a spare piece of plywood to just put stuff on? I'm going to leave the plastic for now. Yeah, you got a scissor here? And a knife. Is this knife sharp? Very. I like that. Oh yeah. Sharp. It doesn't matter which way you face it, just make sure they're all sticking out. Well, it depends on I'm going to have to try it.
$16-shot rack. Hold up.
Uh-oh.
That sounded like about 9. Almost one off together.
Yeah, I heard him go poof, 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 poof. That was pretty fucking cool.
That worked very well. Impressive.
Those little
Here we have a garlic bomb.
It's onion.
An onion bomb. An onion with the explosive in it. Hold up. Don't hit me.
Is that on a little card?
Yeah, it's a little disc.
No, it's on a disc.
Disc.
Disc, it ain't a card.
There's a card also that goes with it.
Does it go on the card or it's going on the
No,
disc?
it's going on the
That's
disc.
what I was saying, was I can always take the card, just stick it in my computer.
No, it goes right onto the disc.
You could probably put that disc
Card
in
can
your
sit right on
computer.
TV.
Yeah.
On big screen.
You could probably put that disc in your
I do
computer.
too, because my computer's hooked to it. So I
I'm just saying, but it's got the sun right in the side of the TV.
Yeah.
The one Diane won.
Yeah, they took $55 off.
Nah.
20%.
Yeah,
That shit
whatever
wasn't that
it is.
bad.
Can you just toss me a roll?
Big Daddy's Fireworks.
Why would you just want to roll?
Because I want to eat it. Same guy.
No, it's not. They're only there since May.
You're obsessing, dude.
Prepping 6 3-inch noise and
Apparently, I had no idea.
4 4-inch noise, I think.
You know what happens now?
I'm gonna self.
You psych yourself into it. Yeah, absolutely, 100%. It's so strong.
I don't doubt it.
Yeah.
It's like being.
Oh man.
What was that? Here's 6 3-inch noise and 4 4-inch noise.
Just don't trip on that wood.
Tornado coming.
Alright, stop sounding stupid.
There's a tornado
The
coming.
American Orbiter. Dude, it doesn't even look like a firework.
The History Channel.
This is quadruple 07.
Double quadruple 07.
Here, let's see the box. It's upside down.
Fireworks.
American Orbiter.
Shoots flaming balls, people, and
This
all
thing
kinds
is
of
gonna
other
be
stuff.
insane. Alright.
This is Class C.
Boy. This thing's gonna be crazy. Run. Oh my god.
I think I don't have something stable.
Yeah, it's on
It's
a
on
board.
It's on a hitch.
What's it doing?
Smoking.
It ain't doing anything.
Smoking.
I'm scared.
Smoking in the boys' room.
Oh my god, that was ridiculous. There's a smoke cloud going up and
There's a
down.
mushroom cloud.
Holy shit. Honestly, I've ever heard. That was fucking awesome.
We saved the time for the grand finale.
Well, we have 4 tapes. Yeah, well,
Oh, okay.
16,000 strip. Looks like Willy Wonka's 16,000 strip. You get it?
Jesus.
Looks tiny.
Yeah, wait till you open it. Here's the beginning right here.
Oh, that's shit I threw in there, sorry.
Get the fire to flame up while they got fucking tons of fucking firecrackers there.
Where's the beginning right there?
I threw jumping jacks in there a long time ago. How we doing this, Dad?
I don't know, guys.
Y'all normally roll it around. That took us pretty.
Yeah, we did that last year. That was.
Oh, fucking, the whole place is full of headshots. Get a little closer to the fire. Yeah. It's a bad idea waiting to happen. These are a mess. Oh, it's gonna be like a fucking...
Yeah, Dad, you gotta go.
Just do it all the way around.
It's a,
All the way around.
Spread it out so it doesn't friggin'...
Yeah, we'll spread out a little right up in 2 seconds.
yeah, Dad.
Put a weed out so it's good, like...
You're getting like 6 inches of clip there.
And how much were they this year?
$70 in that good store.
20% off.
And 20% off.
You can't fucking beat
The
that.
Black Cat one,
$100 every fucking year.
120 with the regular one.
You can't fucking beat that. You really can't.
Jesus.
This must be hurting. Well, fucking Americans not buying no fireworks.
Well, these are just Thunder Bombs. They're not Black Cat.
Fucking giveaway this year. Give them the chicken. Next year we give them elephant.
The chicken. Yeah. Some Jew will buy it.
Next year we give them elephant.
Wait, what happened? They said give them the chicken. I'm like, yeah, some Jew will buy it.
Don't buy it.
That's it.
Also on Viagra.
Put a lead out this way, Dad.
No, I'm gonna throw that end in the fire.
Oh, but it's gonna go up in like 3 seconds.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. You know it is. It always does.
It always does.
Well,
I'm telling you. Leave this like this and then run a strip out along this grass right here. Like this
he
end
likes
over
to
here.
rake.
It's gonna go up in 30 seconds.
You want a bat? Drag it out a little bit. We can drag it out a little bit right here.
Spread around a little bit. Yeah, Dad. You know, like this.
Put it in there when it lasts for like Well, how about that? I'd outlaw them fucking horns. That'd be the fucking day they brought them to my fucking place.
That end over there. Yeah, this way it lasts more than 30 seconds. It'll get good.
I can't run no more, so I'm leaving now.
That's freaking fine.
Don't worry, it's going.
So loud. So loud. And it's wicked.
Get the rakes.
G-U-E.
Get the fucking rakes.
That's a good 6.
We're gonna go down the barn at 10 and watch fireworks.
It's a cake.
Free show. Spend a lot of money.
Too big of brakes.
They're nice. Which store?
The little new shit one.
Oh, double.
Cool.
That was cool. That was nice.
This right here is a real official Blockbuster. Check this bad boy out. Alright, you ready for this?
Oh, Rocket. Why is he running? You lit the Blockbuster? I wonder why.
That was a Blockbuster?
Yeah.
Oh,
What do these do?
it was blurry.
See if you get that label off without ripping it. That's a cool label.
You got your knife?
Yeah.
How are you going to transport that? Well, you can fold it in half.
Is it gold or is it, no, the wrapper's red, ain't it?
Wrapper on the inside is red.
Whoa.
Dude,
That's fucking fire.
wait till he starts unwinding it and you'll see how much it really is.
He's gonna unwind it, he's gonna lay
He's
it
gonna
on.
unwind some of it?
But Danny, that one,
Yeah, take them both off.
that one shreds pretty good, so you don't really have to overlap that much.
Why don't you just spread it out across the whole yard?
Yeah, that's a big mess.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Is that your knife?
No, but he has the same one.
Well, that's the one that Pat gave
Yeah,
you?
our wedding party gift.
It's a good gift.
It's a great gift.
You know where it starts?
What's in there? Bottle rocket?
Yeah.
What the fuck is the start of this?
Grab that end.
Pull it?
Go down there.
Put it on that way?
There's more
Let
tape.
Kyle do it so you can film.
Yeah, you want to pull it out that way for me?
Go over there with it.
catch them. Get them both.
Yo, have the restaurant out this way. Just put it, like, leave that rolled up and just put it out over here.
Like that?
Yeah, and I'll just shred at the end. That's what I would do. Cool beans. Go ahead, go light it.
Who's Daddy? Do you want to light it?
Dad, you want to light it, or? I'm sure you won't care.
Where is he?
He's sitting down. Dad, you want to light it?
Dad, you want to do it?
Yeah, go for it.
Hold on. Do that.
That's what's left.
You gotta get the line.
Oh, I got it. Don't worry. Here's your,
Here's the mortar racks for tonight. 6 3s, 4 4s, and 4 5s mounted to a board. Cool.